Have a bucket big enough to be a roll pan, so I just kind of made one out of plastic. I'm back on this swimming pool, about to lay a coat of this on there. And then I can come back and get some paint on this afterwards. Once it's dry, come back in a few hours. You think you could do this job?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Come on. Roll a little paint. Ah, nice. If you made this far, you made it pretty far, go ahead, like and subscribe. You'll get notifications for this job and other jobs. Really, this one's just about done. I'm gonna throw a little bit of filler on some of these little imperfections here, but all this is gonna be underwater anyway.